Good morning, all of you. Today we will discuss a topic from the disaster management unit, that is emergency support function, which is very important with the aspect of the disaster management, as this point considers the facilities which are mandatory and which need to be controlled during and before, during and after the disasters. So, uh, the ESF, Energy and Emergency Support Functions, provide the structure for coordinating federal intergency support to for a federal response to an incident. They are mechanisms for grouping functions most frequently used to provide federal support to states and federal to federal support. Both for declared disasters and emergencies under the Stafford Act and for non-Stafford Act incidents. The incident command system provides for the flexibility of to assign ESF and other stakeholder resources according to their capabilities, tasking and requirement to augment and support the other sections of the Joint Field Office, Regional Response Coordination Center or National Response Coordination Center in order to respond to incident in a more collaborative and cross-cutting manner. Now, what are the roles and responsibilities of different ESFs? Number first is transportation, aviation, airspace management and control, transportation safety, restoration, recovery of transportation infrastructure, movement restrictions, damage and impact assessment. So these are the roles and responsibilities from the transportation agencies. Now moving further to ESF2, communications, coordination and telecommunication and information technology industries, restoration and repair of telecommunications infrastructure, protection, restoration, and sustainment of national cyber and informational technology resources, oversight of communications within the federal incident management and response structures, public works and engineering, infrastructure protection and emergency repair, infrastructure restoration, engineering services and construction management, emergency contracting support for life-saving and life-sustaining services, coordination of federal firefighting activities, support to wildland, rural and urban firefighting operations. Now, next is emergency management, means what we have to manage in emergency condition, coordination of incident management and response efforts, issuance of mission assignments, resource and human capital, incident action planning, financial management, then from the mass care, emergency assistance, housing and human services, mass care, emergency assistance, disaster housing, human services, and from the logistic management and support, resource support, that is ESF7, means comprehensive national incident logistic planning, management and sustainment capability, resource support. And the eighth one, which is the most important ESF, that is public health and medical services. This includes the responsibilities of public health, medical, mental health services, mass fatality management. Ninth is research and rescue, that is life-saving assistance, search and rescue operations, oil and hazardous material response, that is oil and hazardous material response, that is chemical, biological and radiological materials, etc. Environmental short and long term cleanup, agricultural and natural resources, that is nutrition assistance, animal and plant disease and pest response, food safety and security, natural and cultural responses, and historic properties protection and restoration, safety and well-being of household pest, energy infrastructure assessment, repair and restoration, energy industry, utilities coordination, energy forecast, and another most important one is public safety and security. And the responsibility of this agency is facility and response facility and resource security, security planning and technical resource assistance, public safety and security support, support to access, traffic and crowd control, social and economic community impact assessment, long-term community recovery assistance to states, local government, and the private sector, analysis and review of mitigation program implementations, external affairs, ESF 15, and the last one have responsibility of emergency public information and protective action guidance, media and community relations, congressional and international affairs, tribal and insular affairs. Thank you so much.